These are important big changes, and it's something that you're going to want to hear about. Starting July 1st, exceeding the posted speed limit by more than 50 miles an hour or driving over 100 miles an hour, regardless of the posted speed limit, will now be considered a criminal offense. And those will now be crimes, meaning you can go to jail and have a criminal record, even if you're not driving technically recklessly or cause a crash. So just the act of excessive speeding alone, which means going 50 miles an hour over the posted speed limit or driving over 100 regardless, right? That's now enough to be classified as a dangerous excessive speed crime, which is going to be a second-degree misdemeanor in Florida. The bill also specifically enhances penalties for repeat offenses that occur within 5 years of each other. So people who commit this dangerous excessive speeding can be punished, okay? The first offense is 30 days in jail. Now that's up to 30 days in jail. So it doesn't mean you automatically get that, but it's up to 30 days in jail and a $500 fine. And a second or repeated offense will be up to 90 days in jail or a $1,000 fine or both. And if you're convicted of multiple of these offenses, then your driver's license will be revoked for a minimum of 6 months, a maximum of a year. Having your driver's license revoked is more serious than having your driver's license suspended. When your driving privileges are revoked, what that means is your driver's license, it's terminated, it's gone, and you must reapply for the license after the revocation period. When you're suspended, what it means is that you just have to lift the suspension at the end of the suspension period. Lifting a suspension is much easier than having to start the whole process from the very beginning after your license has been revoked. Anyone who's caught for dangerous excessive speeding, you must appear at a mandatory hearing. Now, understand this. What that means is that either you or your attorney must appear at the mandatory hearing. So if you hire an attorney, we go for you and you wouldn't have to appear, just like we do for our criminal offenses. But if you think you want to go on your own and handle it like you would a traffic ticket, well, you have to be there, okay? Again, unless you hire an attorney. All right. These are things that you really need to know about. And when, this is a new law. So if this ever happens to you, it's really important for you not to be like, oh, it's no big deal. It's just speeding. Oh, it's a more serious version of speeding. No, this is a crime. Okay. Which means will go on your criminal record, which means you can go to jail, which means this could affect your ability to get a job in the future or for housing purposes. So your criminal history follows you forever. So this is very important now. It's major new law change. And what you need to know is this year, the Florida legislature has really taken a tough on crime approach. And that's why some of these new laws are coming out that's going to make it, much tougher on driving laws and other criminal laws as well. Now, in other videos that we've put out, we're talking about the new law change that's going to go into effect October 1st, 2025. Check those videos out. But it's really important to know that now, a first-time refusal of a breath, blood, or urine test on a DUI case is also going to be an additional criminal offense. So if you get arrested for DUI and you refuse a breath test, you get arrested for the DUI, and then a separate crime for refusing even your first time, that's the new part of it. And I break those down as well in some other videos. So stay tuned for all these other videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Comment. We love to hear comments. If you guys have any questions or need our assistance, call us at the Rossen Law Firm, 754-206-6200.